So for our committee meetings, we're going to be using Zoom as an option, and I want to show you how to start your own meeting as a host today. So Purdue Fort Wayne uses WebEx as a primary, so Zoom, you're going to be making your own personal account, but it's free for 40-minute meetings, and if you need to make another meeting, you just close the meeting and start this process again. So I use my Google account sign in. Now, once you're in, you can select whether you want to schedule a meeting for a specific time, you can join a meeting, or you can host a meeting. You can host a meeting with any of these options. So I'm going to host a meeting with video off for now. This will open my Zoom meeting link. You might have updates to your apps or different things like that. Now, once I have this open, this is my invite link. It's telling me to unmute my computer. This is my invite link. I can click to copy this link right here because notice there's 3 dots over here, so it's not the complete link. Now, once you click your invite link, you can just send that out via email and people can join your Zoom meeting immediately. Like I said, this Zoom meeting is only good for 40 minutes with the free version. So you can always close out the meeting and just open a new one if you need to.